Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1967 Meyers Manx dune buggy, listed for $59,000 Canadian in Saint Martin, Quebec. It's driven 17,550 kilometers and has a manual transmission. Now, the seller's description is translated from French. Here we have Meyers Manxter 2+2 dune buggy with certificate of authentication, 1967 Beetle chassis, manual 4-speed, 2275cc engine. And up next we have this 1934 Fraser Nash, listed for $6,800 US in Butler, Pennsylvania. From the seller's description, 1989 title, lots of mechanical upgrades. Come see it and make an offer. Alright, here we have a 1987 Lamborghini Countach replica, listed for $29,500 US in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's driven 48,244 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, Euroworks Countach replica, built on a stretched Fiero chassis, runs, shifts, brakes, has a rebuilt 383 5-speed, needs some finishing and TLC, clean title as a Pontiac Fiero, very exact measurements, lots of money spent on this build, $29,500 or best offer. Okay, here we have a Bugatti Type 35 replica, listed for $12,500 US in Newburgh, Maryland. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, Bugatti Type 35 replica, built on a 1973 Volkswagen Beetle chassis, 1600cc VW engine, runs and drives, clean Virginia title. And here we have a 1933 Factory 5 Ford, listed for $79,995 Canadian in Bancroft, Ontario. It is a manual transmission and listed in excellent condition. From the seller's description, fairly new build with only 1,000 kilometers on it, fully built 347 stroker, vintage air condition and heat, electric steering, Hurst 5-speed, tube chassis, roof and fenders come off if you'd rather a different look. Alright, here's one submitted by viewer Ben. Thanks very much for sending it along, Ben. I also included it in my recent Weird Vehicles video. Here we have a 1984 Pontiac Trans Am Night Rider Replica, listed for $58,000 Canadian in Montpelier, Quebec. It's been driven 188,000 kilometers, and from the seller's description: Night Rider Kit Replica, more of a big toy than a daily driver, no trades, original 308 V8 engine, automatic transmission. And here we have a project car. This is a 1965 Avenger GT 12, listed for $6,500 US in Walnut Bottom, Pennsylvania. It's been driven 8,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description: project car built in 1969. It drives, is titled, licensed, and insured, but needs work. If you know VW Bug suspension, steering, torsion bars, we should talk. Alright, here we have a 1967 Austin Healey 3000, listed for $39,900 US in North Stonington, Connecticut. From the seller's description: 1967 Austin Healey 3000, number 9 of only 15 ever manufactured, hand-built in a factory in Florida by a man named Candido Cavalier, GM V8 350 small block, Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, B&M Quicksilver clutchless ratchet shifter, GM TH200 4R transmission, 4-speed, 4-wheel disc brakes. Okay, here we have a 1923 Ford Model T Roadster, listed for $28,500 US in Edmonds, Washington. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description: blown 350 4-bolt main crate motor, Wayland 144 supercharger, Willwood front discs, electric fan and fuel pump, low car shifter on a 350 tranny, new tires, may trade for another streetcar or project of equal value. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1939 Jaguar Replica, listed for $5,500 Canadian in Clarington, Ontario. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description: built on a 1974 VW 1600 dual-port engine with Weber carbs, rebuilt to 1940cc, standard trans, new Toyo tires, new battery, runs great, price is firm, cash only. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.